Hello my dear viewers, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to get a round or whole number from the decimal or fraction number in Excel. For this I am opening an Excel file. Here is an Excel file. See here in the F column, these are the marks of students, but this number has been given using two decimal. See here 3.00, 19.75 in this way. But for making result, we need the whole number or round figure. That means 3 instead of 3.00, 19.75 instead of this, we need 20 as a round figure. In this way, instead of 22.50, we will use 23 in this way. But how to get round figure from this fraction or decimal number? I will use round function. I like to get the round number here, so I am keeping the cursor here. Then I am clicking here and writing equal, then round, first bracket. Which number I am going to make round? This one. I am clicking this one. Then how many decimals we like to use? No decimal. That means comma, then 0. 0 means no decimal. Bracket close. Then from keyboard I am pressing enter. I am selecting this one and making it middle aligned. If you keep the cursor here, you will see plus sign. Now double click on it. See here, all the decimal number has been turned into round number or whole number. I am going to check it now. 19.75 has turned into 20. Yes, right. Then 22.50 has turned into 23. Good. Then 13.25 has been 13. Yes, it is right. But we do not need to have this two decimal now. Okay, select it, then right click on it, then click on format cells. Now select number. See here, the program has used two decimals. We are making it 0. Then click OK. See, the decimal has been omitted. And now we have got only the round number or whole number. Now we cannot directly use these numbers because in these numbers we have applied function. See here, for everyone we have applied function. So if we need to get this number only, then what we have to do? Please select this column. From your keyboard you can press Ctrl plus C to copy it, or right click, then copy it, and in other column paste it in a special way. See here, paste, then paste special, then values. Click OK. For this number, some rules and functions have been used, but for this one, no rules have been used or no functions have been used. So we will use this number for making result. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody.